I think I messed up. I didn't realize how crucial business intelligence is until now. Let's explore why it's a game changer. From Fortune 500 giants to ambitious startups, BI is the secret sauce for turning raw data into strategic gold. Why is it such a big deal? It's simple. BI helps spot trends, make smarter choices, and fuel rapid growth. Imagine replacing guesswork with precise, data-driven decisions. With BI, you're not just reacting, you're anticipating. That's why leaders are hooked. And here's the kicker. BI isn't just for the big players anymore. Small and medium businesses are jumping on board, leveraging BI tools to unlock efficiency, better decisions, and higher profits. Ready to transform your business? Visit Vuelitics.com to see how our BI solutions can propel you to success. Drop a comment below on how you're using BI or plan to start. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more savvy business tips. Thanks for tuning in. Keep smart, stay ahead, and succeed with Vuelitics. See you next time.